If you love anime like Food Wars or Restaurant in Another World, then you have watched Campfire Cooking in Another World with my absurd skill. If not, it's highly recommendable. Well, it's good to see that this anime finally getting a second season. A brand new teaser was unveiled where we see that Sui consuming fried chicken. And we also got the trailer where we get introduced with a new character, which seems to be quite a goofy one as per shown in the trailer. The season 1 came in 2023 and the season 2 is on its way for October 2025. I'm really excited for this.